Okay, so before I will start my presentation or discussion, um, I will first introduce myself. My name is Greg Michaelis Baguio, and my topic is all about the content and pedagogy to achieve the outcomes. Okay, this is the continuation to Miss Bulala's reporting, and I hope you understand it well. So now, I will start my video presentation. Okay, so the content and pedagogy to achieve the outcomes. Okay, so having identified the outcomes of the program, how will universities, schools, and departments form the future teachers? Okay, so in that uh, in that specific topic or in that specific question, okay, so